Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get bank statement online Emirates Islamic. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to receive e-statements or bank statements online of Emirates Islamic, the first thing is receive e-statements by email, automatic monthly. When you hold an Emirates Islamic account, the bank automatically sends you a monthly e-statement to your registered email address. You'll usually get it around the start of each month. This contains your account transactions and balance summary as well. This statement is free, convenient, and password protected. If you don't receive it, check your email spam or junk folder or make sure your registered email is correct. The next method is download the Emirates Islamic mobile app. So simply after you have downloaded the app, open up the app and then once you're inside, simply log into your account using your credentials. Tapping on the login option, then entering your username or email, then your password, and then tap on login. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on accounts option from the bottom, or simply select the account and then select the relevant savings or current account. Then look for the statements or download statement option and then choose the period you need and download it, which is usually in the PDF format. The next option is download from online banking or web. If you're using a PC or browser, what you need to do is simply go back and open a browser. Then on the search bar type in Emirates Islamic Bank and tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once inside, tap on the login option on the top right corner of the screen and select EI plus online banking. Then once inside, you will be sent to the continue online banking option. Simply tap on that, and then once you tap on continue to online banking, you will be prompted to login portal of the Emirates Islamic. Simply log into your account by using your email, username and password, and tapping on the login option, and then inside go to accounts and statements. Then choose the account and date range and simply click on download and save as PDF. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.